Hey guys, it's Auti. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the right and the left splits the right way in under 5 minutes. So if you are a dancer or a yogi or a gymnast or an ice skater or just somebody who wants to learn how to do the splits like Brayden, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This video is for you. So first and foremost, you want to make sure that you are super warm. Anything that gets your blood pumping and your muscles nice and loose. You don't want to stretch when you are cold because it's kind of like a piece of pasta. So if you just take a piece of pasta and you break it in half, it's gonna snap, and that's what your muscles will do. So you want to put it in warm water and make it super soft, and then you can practice your splits. So the first thing we're gonna do is warm up. This can be jumping jacks. The next thing would be kick your booty. Or play tug of war with puppy.
Warm?
Yeah. Woo! Okay, so once you're warm like me and you're sweating and we look dewy and we're good, we're gonna go into our stretches. The first thing we're gonna do is a runner's lunge, and that's gonna be on the right side first. So what I tell my students to do is to go up on their knees like this, stand super tall, put one leg out. Now, what every dancer does, because it feels good, is they just sink into their hip like this. But that's really bad for your body, and that's not how you get your splits. You actually want to be upright, and instead of sinking down, and there's Rocco, you pull up and you push your hips forward. So you'll actually feel that more than falling all the way to the floor. So we're gonna hold this for about 1 minute. You're pulling up, you're feeling it in your hip flexor, which is one component of getting your split. It's your hip flexor and your hamstring. Also, make sure your knee is on top of your ankle, and we're good. Once that minute has passed, we'll go on to our next stretch. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna send your booty backwards, and you're gonna flex your front foot, and you're gonna sit on top of that back foot like that, and then you're gonna lean forward, just like this. Now, you wanna make sure you're not sitting on your butt. You also wanna make sure that your hips are squared forward. Now this is for that second part, your hamstring. We're leaning, we're feeling good. Now, something super important to remember is to breathe. Every dancer gets into their stretch and they're like, right? They're gonna pass out, okay? So you wanna take a deep breath, and then every time you exhale, you go like a centimeter lower, down. And then eventually, you'll be able to go all the way down to the floor, okay? So you hold this for another minute. So far, we are at our 4-minute exercise. And to finish off our 5 minutes, you come on up, okay? You go back to your runner's lunge, okay? Remembering to stand nice and tall. Now, you just inch your foot out, then plant it on the floor. Put both hands, one on both sides of that front foot. And then you just slowly slide that foot back. You might be here to start for a little while, and that's okay, don't worry. But again, don't hold your breath. So you're breathing and we're going down. Eventually, you keep scooting that back foot out, and eventually you'll be all the way to the floor. Once you're here, you can reach all the way forward, you can arch back, you can play with puppies, anything you want once you're down here. And that concludes your 5 minutes. So let's go over those one more time. The truth of it is, everybody wants to get their splits in one day, but just like anything that's worth it, it's gonna take a lot of hard work and it's gonna take dedication from you, but that's why I'm here. So this video is for you to do once a day, twice a day would be even better, and I guarantee you will have your splits in under a couple months, depending on where you are. But I would love to see progress videos from you, progress photos, just comments. Let me know how this video is helping you out as a dancer or just a person in general. And let me know what else you guys want to see. So if you want to learn how to do a specific dance move or maybe a specific dance, message me or DM me on Instagram or just leave a comment on this video. I'm here for you guys and I would love to see how my videos are helping you. So, hopefully this helps and good luck with your splits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to breathe, guys. So next week, I'm going to teach you how to do the middle splits and your roll through. So we'll learn how to have hip flexibility and mobility here, get your stomach all the way to the floor, take a nap, and do your split roll through.